Hi and welcome to Easy Money Fountain. Today we will talk about 20 ways to make money as influencer. So subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Sponsored posts. Partner with brands to post sponsored content on your social media channels. Affiliate marketing. Use affiliate links in your posts to promote products and earn commissions. Product reviews. Review products and get paid for it. Giveaways and contests. Host giveaways and contests to increase engagement and build relationships with your followers. Brand partnerships. Partner with brands to create content and promote their products. Selling digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, and printables. Selling physical products. Use your platform to sell physical products such as clothing, jewelry, or accessories. Consulting. Offer consulting services to businesses looking to improve their social media presence. Influencer marketing agency. Starting an influencer marketing agency and work with other influencers and brands. Stock photos and videos. Sell stock photos and videos that you have taken to other businesses. Virtual events. Host virtual events, such as webinars or live streams, and charge admission or sponsorships. Online coaching. Offer coaching services to help others grow their own social media following. Social media management. Manage the social media accounts of other businesses for a fee. Virtual summits. Organize and host virtual summits and charge admission or sponsorships. Crowdfunding campaigns. Use your platform to promote crowdfunding campaigns for causes or projects that align with your values. Stock trading. Share your stock trading strategies and insights with your followers for a fee. Freelance writing. Leverage your social media following to secure freelance writing gigs. YouTube monetization. Monetize your YouTube channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Podcasting. Start a podcast and monetize through sponsorships, ads, or affiliate marketing. Subscription-based content. Create exclusive content for subscribers on platforms such as Patreon or Substack. Thanks for watching Easy Money Fountain and hit the like button.